Okay, I want to show you the Andara crystal everybody talk about. Everybody thinks this Andara crystal is super powerful. But this is just a glass. You may feel differently, but if you look closely, this one is a glass. Not because I bought it fake one, but Andara crystal is a myth. If you're thinking to spend couple $100 on one of this rock or glass, I tested, it's not a crystal. You probably better to buy one of the bowls. The crystal, it's not a crystal, it's a glass. It might be have different shape because it's just slug, and it doesn't cost much because you can take any bottle and make one of this by itself by melting the glass and break this big rock. I don't like to leave negative reviews, and I was not scammed. This is just a rock. What do you guys think? I know many of you who bought it never did research before you bought it, but people paying $100 until now still for big piece of glass slug, because this one I bought at Shasta. The Shasta is a place where they found them originally. And if you do research the Shasta, you will find out those crystals are not really crystals. You may argue with anyone you want, but this one is a glass, and chemically structure of this, it's just a glass. I checked with a tool, and the tool sends the electricity through and return that this one is a glass. I have a video of this. I'll post a link above and in description the video of testing this, and the video shows that this one is a glass. There is no actually machine to prove that this one Andara crystal, because there is no way to test whatever the claim. So all this claim is a myth, hoax. And the bowl is really gave you good vibration and energy. So if you're thinking to spend couple $100 on the glass, I recommend to get bowl. The bowl have many different treatments can do, as a sound treatment, as you can hear, vibration treatment on your body, and many more. It can change the water structure as well. Please comment below if you want me to show this, how to do the water structure change with this bowl. You can play this different way with different sticks. Boom. You can see the vibration. This is very powerful. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like it. And I'll see you in the next video.